Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage teams with Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Slack and create your workspace. Invite team members to join your workspace. Familiarize yourself with the Slack interface. Explore the sidebar to find channels, direct messages, and apps. Create channels for different projects or topics. Name each channel to reflect its purpose. Encourage team members to join relevant channels. Use direct messages for private conversations. Utilize the search bar to quickly find messages or files. Pin important messages in channels for easy reference. Share files by dragging and dropping them into the message box. React to messages using emojis to provide quick feedback. Set up reminders for tasks or deadlines using the reminder feature. Integrate other tools like Google Drive or Trello for enhanced functionality. Use threads to keep discussions organized within channels. Establish guidelines for communication to maintain professionalism. Encourage team members to check Slack regularly for updates. Host weekly check-ins via video calls in Slack to boost collaboration. Monitor channel activity to ensure everyone is engaged. Utilize status updates to inform team members of your availability. Foster a positive team culture by recognizing achievements in channels. Utilize the Slack mobile app for on-the-go communication. Regularly review and update your channels to keep them relevant. Encourage feedback on Slack's effectiveness as a communication tool. Stay informed on Slack updates and features to enhance your team's experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.